James Hodge Ford Lincoln, where the genuine care and service of guests is our mission. It's the personal connection that makes the difference. We have an excellent selection of new and pre-owned vehicles. Come find the one that's right for you.
The 2014 Ford Fiesta sedan, taking fun and efficiency further. This zippy urban driver is powered by a 1.6-liter twin independent variable cam timing i4 engine, which cranks out an estimated 38 mpg on the highway, so you can get the most out of every drop of fuel. Once you slip inside the inviting interior, you'll find a cockpit that combines contemporary with comfortable. A cool car should have cool features. Sync with AppLink comes standard in the new Fiesta, giving you more hands-free voice-activated technology, while also putting other controls right within your touch. When it comes to protection, Ford engineers have you covered with 7 standard airbags and a safety cage reinforced with high-strength boron steel. We want you to have peace of mind to enjoy the quick and nimble performance that makes this car so much fun to drive. The 2014 Ford Fiesta sedan. More attitude, more head-turning style.
At James Hodge Ford Lincoln, we are proud to be Tulsa and Muskoge's most trusted home for Ford and Lincoln vehicles. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. That's the James Hodge difference. Come experience it for yourself. We are conveniently located just a short ride from Tulsa, down Highway 51 at 1200 North Main Street in Muskogee, Oklahoma.